I'm Mrs. Manisha Pradeep Khaire, Faculty of Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, continuing with the chapter Introduction to Dosage Form. In this part 2, I'm going to discuss liquid dosage form. Liquid dosage form, these are the solutions or dispersion of drug in suitable liquid vehicle. Monophasic liquid contains drug in dissolved state in aqueous or sometimes non-aqueous vehicle, and biphasic system contains insoluble drug in vehicle, for example suspension or emulsion. Liquid dosage form are divided into two types: monophasic liquid dosage form and biphasic liquid dosage form. Monophasic are again divided into internal dosage form and external dosage form. Example of internal monophasic liquid dosage form are syrups, elixir, linctuses. Example of external monophasic liquid dosage form are liniment, lotion, and eye, ear, and nasal drops. Biphasic liquid dosage form examples are suspension and emulsion. We will see advantages and disadvantages of liquid dosage form. Advantages: they are easy to swallow, more useful for pediatric and geriatric patients. Bioavailability of dissolved drug is faster than that of the insoluble drug. Disadvantages: drug in liquid state are chemically less stable than its insoluble state. They are cumbersome to handle. Microorganisms get easily contaminate dosage form. Liquids allow more flexibility in dose and their accuracy is minimal. First, we will see mixtures. Mixture is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which medicaments are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. For example, magnesium oxide mixture BPC. It is an antacid suspension marketed by Park Davis. Syrup, these are viscous, sweet, nearly saturated aqueous solution of sucrose. Syrup IP contains 66.7% of sucrose. There are two types of the syrup. Medicated syrup contains medicament, and second, flavored syrup contains flavoring agent. Elixirs are clear, sweetened and flavored hydroalcoholic solution for oral use. It contains ethyl alcohol 4 to 40%, water, glycerin or propylene glycol, flavoring agent, syrup and suitable preservative. For example, diphenhydramine elixir IP. Spirits are monophasic liquid dosage form containing volatile principle in alcohol. It contains alcohol content of 80 to 90% which act as a good solvent to dissolve the volatile oil. For example, lemon spirit, peppermint spirit. Linctuses are viscous monophasic liquids containing high proportion of syrup intended to be sipped and swallowed slowly for treatment of cough. Linctuses mostly contains sedative or expectorant drug and vehicle has demulcent or soothing action on the sore mucous membrane of the throat. For example, codeine linctus. Draught are monophasic liquids intended to be taken as a single dose by oral route. For example, paraldehyde draught BPC. It is a hypnotic drug with dose of 50 ml at once and at bedtime. Pediatric drops, these are small dose liquids administered with the help of dropper. Dropper is either graduated in fraction of a milliliter or pre-calibrated dropper is used. Number of drops delivered by which are equivalent to the prescribed dose. For example, metacin drop. Gargles are clear solution used to prevent or treat throat infection. Active ingredients used are antiseptic, analgesic and astringent. For example, betadine gargle. Mouthwash are clear, pleasant taste aqueous solutions intended to cleanse and deodorize the buccal cavity. It contains antibacterial agent, alcohol, glycerin, sweetening agent, flavoring agent and coloring agent. For example, zinc sulfate and zinc chloride mouthwash BPC. Liniments are solutions or emulsions having an aqueous or oily base applied on the unbroken skin with friction. They are used for counter-irritant, rubefacient, soothing or stimulation action. For example, turpentine liniment IP. Lotions are solutions, suspension or emulsion designed to apply on the unbroken skin without friction. They are used for topical effects such as local cooling, soothing, protection, drying or moisturizing purpose. Calamine lotion, it contains calamine and zinc oxide. Eardrops. Eardrops are solution, suspension or emulsion of drugs in water, glycerin or propylene glycol intended for instillation into the ear. They are used to remove excessive ear wax, to treat infection, inflammation or pain, and for cleaning and drying of air. For example, Solivax. Nasal drops. Nasal drops are aqueous monophasic solution intended for instillation into the nose cavity with the help of dropper. Nasal solutions are administered as nasal drops or sprays to relieve nasal congestion, inflammation and to combat infection. For example, Otrivin nasal drops. Inhalations. Inhalations are liquid preparation of volatile ingredient whose vapors are intended to be inhaled after mixing it with hot water. They are used to relieve congestion and inflammation of respiratory tract. For example, menthol and eucalyptus inhalation. Throat paints. Throat paints are viscous preparation of medicament for local action in the mouth. Glycerin is used as vehicle because of its viscosity. It prevents being washed away rapidly by saliva and thus prolong the action. They are applied to throat with brush. For example, compound iodine paint IP. Enema. Enemas are aqueous or oily solution, suspension or emulsion of medicament intended for rectal administration to cause bowel evacuation or to bring about local or systemic therapeutic action. Evacuate enemas are employed to cleanse the bowel or for X-ray examination of the lower bowel. Retention enemas are used for local or systemic medicinal effect and their volume do not normally exceed 100 ml. For example, soap enema IP, magnesium enema IP. Suspensions. These are biphasic liquid dosage form in which solid particle ranging from 0.5 to 5 micron are dispersed in a liquid or semi-solid vehicle. For example, kaolin suspension. Emulsions. These are biphasic liquid preparation containing two immiscible liquid, one of which is dispersed as minute globules, that is dispersed phase, into the other, that is the continuous phase. An emulsifying agent is added to stabilize the system. It is mainly of two types, O by W and W by O emulsion. For example, castor oil and liquid paraffin emulsion. Thank you.